Dayoo Kitchen Steam Cleaner and Dishwasher. The world's first handheld dishwasher and jet steamer. Water-saving, hot steam sanitizing, wall-mounted and portable, that puts the power of a dishwasher in the palm of your hand, getting your dishes sparkling clean without getting your hands dirty. The Dayoo uses a 221 degrees Fahrenheit, 105 degrees Celsius, jet of high-pressure steam to blitz through grease and germs, sterilizing your dishes without any soap or chemicals that can ruin your health in the long run. The Dayoo is for more than just the kitchen. You can use the Dayoo to clean any room in your home. Your dusty garage. Your embarrassing bathrooms. Cara Pure, water from the air. Cara Pure is the world's first 9.2 plus pH alkaline air-to-water dispenser to capture the air and turn it into fresh water. You don't need waterline. Just plug in the power. Then you have antioxidant alkaline fresh drinking water. Cara Pure comes with multi-stage filtration and mineralization systems that last for 1 year. The mineralizer adds 7 essential minerals to the water every time it's created. This air-to-water dispenser makes possible to have up to 3 gallons, that is 11 liters, of water each day from the thin air. When in full operation, Cara Pure uses 580 watts of power per hour. Cara Pure works as a powerful air purifier and a strong dehumidifier as well. Nebia Quick Dry Earth Mat. The Nebia Quick Dry Earth Mat is a stylish addition to your bathroom. It is hyper-efficient to dry. It is made from diatomaceous earth, which is a naturally occurring silica-based material. In other words, it is a special blend of crushed stones and algae commonly found in waterbeds in deserts. Made of diatomaceous earth, the quick dry earth mat dries in minutes, leaving no trace of moisture and preventing mold. It dries lightning fast, going from post-shower drench to bone dry in average of just 2 to 3 minutes. This mat is naturally antimicrobial and mold resistant. Unlike traditional bath mats that absorb moisture and generate bacteria, much like fine terracotta tiles, the ceramic-like material feels smooth and comfortable under your feet with added ribbed lines for a massage feeling. Everstt Orca Pot, a 5-in-1 cast iron multi-purpose cooking pot. The Orca Pot is a cast iron pot that will upgrade your kitchen experience. It can withstand high temperatures that is suitable for all kinds of food. Unlike other pots, Orca Pot help preserve the food nutrients and iron. You can steam, boil, fry, simmer, grill, sautéing, and even bake. Also popcorn. It works perfectly with all kinds of stoves, gas, electric, induction, ceramic and oven. You can even take it to your camping trip. You can crave a slow roasted meal. When locked 2 sets of Orca Pot, you have a Dutch oven to make breads or juicy meat. The Orca Pot can maintain its heat for a long time, keeping your food warm even on cold days. A traditional cast iron pot for your everyday use with a sturdy glass lid allows you to have a good look at any meal in process. Cast iron pots provide non-stick without using chemicals when properly seasoned. Key Coffee Grinder. The all-new Key Grinder is a revolution in conical burr single-dose grinding. All more precise, align-able, and cleanable than anything else in the world. The small package includes magnetic centering of tumbler on solid hardwood landing pad, RPM adjustment knob, built-in brush with replaceable head. Compatible with both standard and magic tumbler configurations. Key grinder comes with anti-popcorning dust lid, hex wrenches for assembly and maintenance, US-style 3-prong plug with C13 connector. No fuss plug-in anywhere in the world. Unlock your coffee. Enjoy. Toibuble, an automatic detergent bubble maker. A good companion in your bathroom. Toibuble can be installed anywhere near your toilet. Just attach the tube. Add water and any foaming liquid such as toilet cleaner, hand sanitizer, disinfectant, detergent, etc. Press the button and it will automatically make detergent bubbles to cave the bottom of the toilet. Release fresh fragrances, leaving the toilet free of germs, stains and odor. Toibuble got Type-C fast charging with 1800 mAh battery that can be used 80 times for one full charge.